Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. If you're new to this channel, thank you for joining. And if you're oldie, we value you. So now that we've seen everything, all the specs with it, now we know what the open box computers look like with Best Buy. They have that with the PC monitors, they have it with the keyboards, they have it with tablets, not like iPad or Samsung or anything, but they do have it with like any laptop that you're looking for. That one was a satisfactory, so that wasn't the highest one that they had, but there wasn't any scratches. It said there was a minor scratch, but I didn't notice anything. So it works just like a brand new computer. It's been factory reset, it's clean. I cleaned it, as you saw me. I like cleaned all in the keyboards with the Q-tips and with the bleach and stuff, and it still works great. So I think it's a great buy, especially if you can't afford to buy a brand new computer. If you can't afford to buy a straight, fresh out the box, straight from the factory one, this is always good. I hear Apple has one too, but I haven't looked at that one. So I definitely would recommend this, giving it a try if you need to for like on a starter computer or just any computer, because they have a lot of them from different price ranges. Mine back there, that one, it was $154. And with tax it came up to like $167. Now that computer is just good for my classwork. It's not really good for like my gaming or anything, but it's just what I need for like my classes. But I can Zoom, I can do my essays, I can do everything I need to on that one. So I definitely highly would recommend trying it if you need to or if you want to. And yep, it's got my silver group. So give it a try. Give it a try so you don't have to. But it turns out it worked out pretty good. So